There are 3 common concerns everyone has when trying to find the right auto repair shop. Do these concerns sound familiar to you? Number 1. Overcharging you for their services. Number 2. Not fixing the problem correctly. Number 3. Being taken advantage of because you don't know squat about car engines. If you worry about these things, we would like to help by offering you the free report, Everything You Must Know Before Hiring an Auto Repair Shop. This is a clearly written, 19-page guide that will help you understand how to find a quality local auto mechanic, what you need to do to get a fair price, and what you need to know to make the best decision possible. Simply complete the form on this page and download your free report now.